I had gone through 15,000 photographs and then culled them, and we'd come up with 500 and gone through them many times. And so I now had a huge, huge image bank of black and white photographs. And I thought it was time to go to Poland. It wouldn't be the Poland I saw in those photographs, but I thought it was important to go. So I came in 1981. Well, it was very austere. It was communist Poland, and it was the time of martial law, and it was very, very, very austere, very gray, and very paranoid. You had the feeling of paranoia that it was, for me, it was Dostoevsky's Brothers Karamazov, of, being in a room and expecting there to be a very loud knock on the door, and, God knows what that would mean. It was black market money, it was no food in the stores, it was huge menus, but nothing was available. It was, there was a very good restaurant that actually could produce very good food, but for almost no money, which felt really bad. Didn't feel right. And it was a time also where when you made friends, those relationships were very precious, and you felt that every time that you met was important, that you didn't know what was going to happen next. So those friendships and those meetings you really had a sense that they mattered. There's nothing casual about them. They mattered. And I made some friends that are friends to this day, and were very kind, and were themselves activists. They were in the opposition, and they were activists in the renewal of Jewish life.